How to draw the Baylor University logo. We are going to start by drawing a vertical line near the left side of our page. This will be the left side of our B. Nice job! Now from the top and bottom of that line, we are going to draw a small line going out to the left. Then from each of those lines, we are going to draw another small line. From the bottom, the small line is going to go downwards, and then from the top, the small line is going to go upwards. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a long, straight line going to the right from each of those lines that we just drew. Then from each of those lines, we are going to draw a diagonal line that is going to go inwards and to the right. After that, we are going to draw a vertical line going from each of those diagonal lines. The line near the bottom side of our B is going to be longer than the line on the top part of our B. Then we are going to draw a small V shape connecting those two lines with the point going towards the left. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw a line going up and down near the bottom left side of our B inside of that outline that we just drew. Then we are going to draw two straight lines going to the right from the top and bottom of that line. Then we are going to draw two small diagonal lines similar to how we did for the outer outline of our B. Next, we are going to connect those two lines with a straight line going up and down. Now we are going to draw another shape exactly the same way that we drew this one, but it's just going to be a little bit thinner right above it. So we will start with a small straight vertical line. Then we are going to draw the two lines going to the right. And next we are going to draw the two small diagonal lines and then a straight line connecting those going up and down. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now inside that shape on the top, we are going to draw the exact same shape but just a little bit smaller. Nice job! Then we are going to do the same thing inside of the bottom shape of our B, but we are not going to draw the bottom line. For the bottom part of this, we are going to draw a small straight line going inwards, one from the straight line on the left and one from the diagonal line on the right. Then from that small line on the right, we are going to draw a very small line going up, and then a small line going to the right, and then a longer line going upwards. Awesome job! Now let's do the same thing on the left side. And now we are going to connect those two lines with a straight horizontal line. Great job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw a bubble letter T inside of that shape that we just drew. This is going to be for the top left side of our U. Now we are going to draw the rest of our U. For this, we are going to draw a small horizontal line below our B in the middle, and then we are going to draw two straight lines going downwards from that. Our U is going to be positioned below our B and to the right, going right here. The small horizontal line is going to go here, the same length as this. Now we are going to draw the two lines going downwards from that line. The line on the left is going to be a little bit longer than the line on the right. Then we are going to draw a diagonal line going down and to the right, connecting to each of those lines. The diagonal line connecting to the left line is going to be a little bit longer than the other one. Awesome job! Next we are going to draw a straight line going to the right from both of those diagonal lines. And again, the one on the bottom is going to be a little bit longer than the one above it. After that, we are going to draw two diagonal lines going up and to the right. These are going to be similar lengths to the ones that we drew on the other side of our U. Nice job! Then we are going to draw two straight lines going upwards from those diagonal lines. Looks good so far. Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw the top right part of our U, which is going to look just like this, but it is not going to have that straight line on the bottom. Wow, learn how to draw hub crew. Our Baylor University logo looks awesome. Now for the final step, we are going to outline the B and U that we drew. For this, we are just going to go along all the lines that we previously drew. Once we get to the part where the B and the U connect, we are going to just draw a straight line going from left to right here and here to continue the outline. This is how to draw the Baylor University logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next. We love your suggestions. And if you want to see our drawing all colored in, then stick around until the very end. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.